Hello YouTube. This is a video about how to fix your computer if you're having a problem with the Intel 4600 for Titanfall. Now, even though I upgraded to Windows 10, I'm still having problems, and it's not that the driver doesn't work, it's that it keeps updating to the newest one, and the newest one doesn't work. And even if I downgrade it or roll back the driver, it goes back. It'll install the driver while I'm playing the game and make it fail. And it really sucks. And I figured out how to fix it, and so I made this video so you guys could enjoy your games or computer in general if you just are having a driver problem. But you can stop any driver on Windows 10 from updating. They released this new tool, Windows did, on their support site, and there will be a hyperlink in the description. Now, it's important to note that it's temporary. It says it'll temporarily prevent a Windows or driver update. And this is because, well, they'll make another new driver and it'll try to install that. So you may have to block it more times, but this is still helpful for some people. And so what you want to do is you'll go to this site and you'll download it from right here. I already have it, so I don't need to download it. And you run it, and when I ran it, even though I downgraded my video card driver already, it would not show the new update so that I could block it. And I ended up figuring out this trick, and what you have to do is you have to open the Windows control panel and you go to your device manager and you click on your display adapter right here, and you go up here where it says action and you say add legacy hardware, and you go through that. And you're going to install it manually from a list, display adapter, and I already have it right here. It's called the 10-1810-4252, and here's the thing: when you open up your Intel driver update utility thing, it ain't gonna show the same numbers as right here, but it's the same. Their numbers is like 15 something. It'll show up here in a second. It has to search for the drivers. It's being stupid. But anyways, you want to install this driver right here, the 10-1810, and you have to do it this legacy way, because after you restart, then when you start up the show hide update program right here, then it will finally show up. This is probably giving a lot of people problems. I'm sure some of you watching this video have gotten this far and they're like, why won't my driver show up that I need to block? And well, you just have to add it as legacy hardware. Anyways, this finally showed up. So the numbers you need when you're installing the driver update for the Titanfall is this one right here, the Intel HD graphics, and it's 3rd gen. It doesn't make sense because it's a 4th gen CPU, but it's 15-33-38-64-4252, and when you install it, it'll show up as 10-1810 or whatever numbers I said earlier. But anyways, that's it. Oh, one last thing. After you install it, you're going to have to go to graphics properties, and you'll know if you did it right because you'll see these squares. The newer driver doesn't have the same look. And you click on 3D, and for Titanfall you have to just hit custom settings and just tell it to use application settings, and that's it. I haven't had a single problem with Titanfall failing after doing this or any other game. Enjoy.